Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We're about to go eat brunch. Woo! I don't know. We're gonna try to go eat brunch. Freaking bright. I should have brought my sunglasses. I feel like I would look so much better with my sunglasses. I don't know.
Can you get my phone?
We're turning around. We're going to get her phone because she left it in the car. I can't want my drink, but I should be drinking water.
Turn around, turn around.
We're turning around again. It stinks.
Turn around,
It's currently like noon. I'm not dressed for brunch, but like, are we still gonna go eat brunch? Yes, we are.
Are you even going to eat brunch?
I don't freaking know. I guess.
Me? If we're going, I still want to see the cars, I guess. Above 100. I mean, it was above 100.
There was a book behind me?
That's why I said.
I didn't hear you. Maybe you should speak louder. Bless you.
That's what I said. I said, oh, there's a bug behind me.
Oh, after you, Mama.
Thank you. You just kept recording.
Good morning. Y'all want to sit outside? I don't know.
And we're back.
Pork belly.
Is the first toast good?
Never had it.
Right, never had it.
This is only our second time doing breakfast here. Oh, look. Kayakers.
Oh,
Huh?
kayakers
Where?
on the river.
Do it, Trinity. Show them what you doing downtown.
I feel like this is the best view for the kayakers.
Huh?
I feel like you can't really see
What
the
is she doing
kayakers.
downtown?
Go down there and catch them down there.
What is she doing
That's the
downtown?
kayakers. I think
when
I'm
I get
gonna
to
get
the rough water.
the omelet.
I think I'm gonna get brisket and eggs with breakfast potatoes. What's Notorious Pig? Brisket, ham, bacon, jam, Swiss cheese, over easy eggs.
What are you getting, Camille?
Build your own. Or
I want to try the...
Okay.
I think I want the omelet. What you getting?
The omelet.
Oh. Okay, well I won't get the omelet. I'll share yours. And I'll get the brisket and eggs.
Okay.
What's the Georgia, wait a minute, Georgia breakfast? Let me see. 2 eggs, sausage, toast, Logan pie, meal gravy.
My hair is really blending in with my shirt. Camera. What? My hair is blending in with my shirt.
Oh, it's the...
I'm going to get my drink. It's stinky. Hopefully it hasn't melted too much. Because you're supposed to.
We could have went through that way.
You could still go through that way.
Is the car locked? Is the car locked?
I feel like I need the sunscreen.
Unlock the car.
Okay. Are we there yet? No.
Just unlock the car.
Oh my God. Why is she running? This is a really good place to take a picture. I might take a picture here when I'm done. Huh? Who? I just did. I literally unlocked the car. What is she saying? Insane. I'm just trying to have a leisurely walk. She's trying to rush me. Thank you. I feel very weird about this.
Is it liquid?
Hush out, Camille, out.
No, like you.
Food's here.
Food is here.
Wait,
Mine too.
can you give me a second? I got the breakfast tacos. She got the omelet. What's in your omelet?
Tomatoes, onions, spinach,
So everything?
mushroom, yeah, everything. Bacon.
And she got
I got the French toast
with
with
sausage.
sausage.
Why do you have to repart? It's not a movie, it's a YouTube video. Okay. Okay. What are you doing?
Why can't I be in it?
Back over.
Who gonna bless this food?
Okay, back.
Thank you so much.
I've never had this before, so we're gonna try it together on camera. Woo. I think it's like tortillas. I don't know how to grab this. I don't want to
Pick it
grab
up
it.
out of the thing.
Right, I don't want to grab it and then it fall apart though. Oh, there it goes. This is what it looks like. I got bacon in it.
So tight.
Oh, it just tastes regular.
Like a sandwich.
It looks like a burrito. An open burrito.
Camille, you not eating?
Oh.
I feel like I barely got anything out of it though, so let's try that
I don't know
again.
if it gave me
What
mayonnaise.
time?
No,
Okay.
all right now. How is it? Are you kidding? You literally wanted to talk so bad, and then when I put it on you, yeah.
You took it off too
Mm. How is it?
on your breath.
Thank you. It's good. The omelet is a little, I don't really like my omelet brown on the outside like this, but it's fine.
Like,
I don't want you to make a face, I just want you to stand still.
what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Stretch your arms out. Stretch your arms up high. Stretch your arms out right beside you. Lay forward. Lay forward.
What do you mean leave?
Like the wings are on your back.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Stand up straight. Lay forward. Like that.
Hey,
Just lay forward.
like, how much further can I possibly lean?
Now do me.
We're going to the movies. Yay! I haven't been to the movies in 4 years. This is the first time I'm going to see a movie since Avengers Endgame, which was 4 years ago. We're going to see the new Spider-Man. I'm excited, but I just want the popcorn bucket. What are you doing? Anyway, I just want the popcorn bucket. I'll let y'all know if I get the popcorn bucket. Whoa! I'll let y'all know if I get the popcorn bucket. Me?
I'm getting a popcorn bucket.
What are you saying?
I'm getting it.
That's the whole reason why I'm going.
You just
I just want the popcorn bucket.
I just want
I
the
love
popcorn
popcorn buckets. I love popcorn buckets. It's
Me too.
no problem for me to get a popcorn bucket. Look at the clouds. The clouds are looking great.
There's no problem with me getting a popcorn bucket.
I don't know what she's saying, but
I don't know what she said. But
we're gonna get the popcorn bucket.
We gonna share it. We're going to share it.
Okay, time to go into the movies.
We're each gonna take turns at the popcorn.
Psych.
bucket. Okay?
The movie is until 3 o'clock, so I don't know what we're doing. We're gonna try to get the popcorn bucket at another movie theater. I really want this popcorn bucket. Anyway. Can we open it? I'm supposed to, like, rip open the plastic.
Yeah.
Okay, shut up. And then you just, like, open the back and put the popcorn in the back. How do you open this?
Push down with your finger right there where the hole is.
Where?
Seems as though.
Seems as though this is kind of different. There
you
it
go.
goes.
Well, let me see. What about somebody with big hands like me? Oh.
Alright, it's very... This is a very high achievement for me.
Let me see what's on the bottom of it. Oh, okay.
We didn't go to the movies. I need a nap. I think this is the end of the video. Why is my vision so blurry? Bye, everyone.